Hello everyone. In today's session, we discuss the mole fraction of a solution. First one, mole fraction. First of all, we write the exact definition of mole fraction. See students, here mole fraction, it is represented by X. Next, what is the exact definition of mole fraction? Here mole fraction means the ratio of moles of one component. Here one component to the moles of all components in a solution is called mole fraction. Here ratio, fraction means ratio, divide, the ratio of which one moles of one component to the moles of all components in a solution is called mole fraction. Suppose we take a binary solution. Here in binary solution which contains two components. Binary solution having two components. The components are, one is let be A, another one is component B. Two components are there. So the component NA, one is A component, another one is B component. Suppose you take the moles of A component, let be Na, and the moles of B component is Nb. Here two components, A and B. Here Na is the moles of A component and Nb is the moles of B component. See students, according to definition, the mole fraction of A component is equal moles of component A to the moles of all components. Denominator value, write the all components, nothing but Na plus Nb. Okay. Now similarly, for the mole fraction of B component, Xb is equal Nb by Na plus Nb. Here two formulas. With the help of these two, derive the, you find the another relation. Mole fraction of A and mole fraction of B is equal to 1. Remember it. Sum of the mole fraction of all components in a solution is 1 unit, or it is said to be unity. Okay, student. This is the definition and formula of the mole fraction. Next one, simply I'll give the one sum related to this one, mole fraction. Students, mole fraction of a solution. See, calculate the mole fraction. Calculate the mole fraction of sulfuric acid containing 98% of H2SO4 by mass. This is the question. See students, a mole fraction of sulfuric acid which contains 98% of H2SO4 by mass. See, 98% of H2SO4 by mass, it means 98% of H2SO4 means the solution, 100 gram of solution which contains 98 gram of sulfuric acid and the remaining 2 grams of water. Here water percentage is 2 grams. You know, molecular weight of, here weight of sulfuric acid is 98 and the water is 2 grams. You know, molecular weight of sulfuric acid is also 98 grams. Then molecular weight of water, you know, formula of water is H2O. Its molecular weight is 18 grams. Then the moles of sulfuric acid, you know how to calculate the moles. Moles of sulfuric acid is equal weight of sulfuric acid by molecular weight of sulfuric acid. It is equal to 1. Like the same formula applied to the moles of water. Here moles of water is equal weight by molecular weight. Then it is equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9 approximately its value is 0.1. Okay, this is the moles of sulfuric acid. It is moles of water. So these two values substitute in a given form. Suppose a mole fraction of sulfuric acid. We want the mole fraction of sulfuric acid. Then numerator value write the only moles of sulfuric acid, and denominator value write the moles of sulfuric acid and moles of H2O. Okay, students. Then these two values substitute in the given formula. Here substitute in the given formula. Then simplify, then you get the answer. Here mole fraction of sulfuric acid is equal moles of sulfuric acid value is 1 and moles of sulfuric acid 1 plus moles of water is 0.1. Then its value is 1 by 1.1. 1 by 1.1. So its value is 0.9. So that is the mole fraction of sulfuric acid. Finally, the mole fraction of sulfuric acid is equal 0.9. Here mole fraction, no units, weight by weight, no units, remember it, no units. Mole fraction is having no units. Okay, students, please try to understand this. It is the very important in IP as well as objectives. Okay, students, bye.